Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download the Tubi app on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the App Store on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. At the bottom, tap on Search. Now type in Tubi in the search bar and then tap Search. Now look for the official Tubi app. It should say Tubi Movies and TV shows. Tap the Get button next to it. You might need to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID, Touch ID to confirm. Once the app starts downloading, wait a few seconds for it to install. When it finishes, the Get button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch the app. After opening Tubi, you can either sign up for an account to save your favorite shows or just start browsing. Tap on any movie or TV shows to start watching instantly. No subscription or payment needed. And that's it, you have successfully downloaded and opened Tubi on your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.